In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam download issues by clearing the cache and repairing your library. If your downloads are stuck, your speeds jump around, or your games don't appear correctly, these built-in Steam tools can usually set things right. We'll walk through clearing the download cache, restarting Steam, and then checking your storage and repairing your game library folders, all within the app. Start by opening Steam, then look to the top of the window for the Steam menu. Click on Steam in the upper right corner as shown in the interface you're using, and from that menu choose Downloads. This page shows your download settings and active downloads. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see an option called Clear Download Cache. Click Clear Cache. This removes temporary data that can get corrupted and confuse the updater. It doesn't delete your installed games or saved data. It just clears out the clutter so downloads can start fresh. Steam will need to restart for this change to take effect. Restart Steam. When it comes back up, we'll head into the settings to review storage. Click on Steam on the upper left corner again and choose Settings. In the Settings panel, select Storage. Here you'll see your drives and the Steam library folders on each one. Next to your drives, click the drop-down arrow to expand the list. If you want an additional install location, click Add Drive. This lets you create or select a library on another drive, which can help if your primary drive is getting full or if you prefer to install games to faster storage. After that, look for the three dots next to a library folder. Click on those three dots and choose Repair Library. Steam will scan that folder, make sure permissions are correct, and fix common folder issues that can prevent downloads or updates from completing. Let it finish. Depending on the size of the folder and the speed of your drive, this can take a few moments. Keep Steam open while it works. That's it. You cleared the download cache, restarted Steam, reviewed your storage, added a drive if needed, and repaired your library. Now return to your downloads and try your update or install again. With a clean cache and a healthy library folder, Steam can usually fetch and apply files without a hitch. If you found this helpful, keep these steps in mind whenever downloads misbehave, and you'll save yourself a lot of time.